Hello guys, so if you are new here, please subscribe, share, like, comment. God bless you as you do. So I just dropped my children in school. We'll see better rain. They say rain will fall for 8 days. I thought it was a joke. As you can see, I've already started. Oh, this rain. I need to go to pharmacy to do something for my husband. EJ. The rain has started. Thank God, person they come up for the Mario enter there so that they're not going to beat me that much. The person not enter. Oh. Joe. Okay. I've entered. The rain mean business. Although I love where rain they fall. I love rain. See I come back. See water. Why you jump up like that? Oh. I'm inside the pharmacy. It's a very beautiful rainy day. I don't take number. I park well. Yeah. So I've collected number. I'm waiting for my turn. I drink see this place. They call they sell Gary and Granite. Oh God. I rebuke, I reject every spirit of poverty and setback in my life. I reject it all. They drink sweet Gary and Granite. There's one type of sachet granite when I buy call. Oh, Nigeria, Africa don't upgrade though. To the extent now, Gary and Granite, they will put out for sachet with peak milk, sugar, granite. So you don't need to buy granite separately because they buy Gary separately. They just packet everything, just buy it. If you get how much I buy that, like my 10 cedis for Ghana. If you don't get 10 cedis, also 10 cedis, they will give you 4 in 1. Now they like put Gary 4 in 1, Jehovah. I like their system now in Africa that they are making things easy for everybody. Everybody can afford. If you see groundnut oil, you get one little portable groundnut oil can. When I see, I say, wow, these people are trying for greatness. So this man where they get this, if they born or if they sleep, which one among the two? It don't true. Let me enter. So if you watched it this time, thank you very much. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. God bless you as you do.